জাতি হবে নির্লজ্জ। আজও কানে ভাসে সেই কথাগুলো, কে জানি হবে যে শেষ কথা।
Because I love my people and my people love me. And I can die for them and they can die for me. Because I am fighting for their cause and I want that 70 million people of my Bangladesh should be emancipated. All 70 million people are behind me and behind the cause.
Are you sure to win this cause?
Oh, nobody can stop it.
Autonomy of East Pakistan,
Nobody can stop it. I want my rights.
emancipation.
I want my emancipation. I want that I want to live like a free citizen of a free country.
You mean independence?
That I don't mean.
Yeah.
It can be done many ways.
Ultimately,
Ultimately, it can be done many ways.
West Pakistan cannot do anything about it,
Who can do anything when 70 million people are united behind us?
even with the army.
What damn army can do? We don't care for them. They can suppress my people with bullets.